Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. My name is Carlos Antonio Pedraza Romero. In this activity, I'm going to show you the model Cocomo 2. I'm going to show you in the first one the concept. Cocomo 2 is a model mathematical software project estimation. It's used for estimation of the cost, the different software project, and this is have different formulas for estimate depend on the different factors. Now I'm going to show you what is the principal characteristics. The first one is estimate based on lines of code. Depend on the number of line code, you have estimated what is the cost of the project. In this case, there are different program language, and depend of the program language, and you have the software, the development software. For example, you have language project Java. In this program, there are different lines of the other program language. For example, C#. The other characteristic is cost and scale factor. In this case, for the estimation for a software project, you have a factor, internal and external factor, because the internal factor is the same project, the organization. The other side, the factor external is economic, and what is the difference consequence of the sector of the economy of the life of the different countries. And software side, the software side is the total size of the project. For example, you have a project. This project, there are 4 modules. For example, login, create products, update products, and delete products. And you have estimate 1 and 1. Then you addition the different model, and you have the total software side. Now I'm going to show you model. The model is divided in 3 stages. The first stage is application composition. Is the prototype stage prototype. The other one is early design. Early design is a stage, the development and maintenance. Maintenance software. And the last one is post-architecture. Post-architecture is you have what is the different elements for the maintenance of the project. You have all the different stage for the estimate software project. Now I'm going to show you mathematical model. The first stage, application composition model, this is the formula. Pn now is equal, now NOP divide product. PN is amount of work per person, and OP is new item point. New OP is equal OP by 100 lens versus reuse divide 100. The OP is equal software side expressed in object points. Percent reuse is percentage of reuse expected in the project, and product is average productivity. Now I'm going to show you early design model and post-architecture model. What is the formula for 1-1? Early design model, this is the formula. PN estimate, PN nominal by EN, and this is 7 factors. PN estimate is adjusted nominal effort, and EN is cost factor. PN nominal is A by key slug high B. Continue with early design model. A is equal to 94. Key slug is 1000 of line of source code. V is equal exponential scale factor. V length 1.0. Project exhibition economies of scale B equal 1.0 economies, and these economies are in balance. B greater 1.0 project exhibition diseconomies of scale. Post-architecture model. For architecture model, this is the formula is the same, but the difference with the another is 17 factors. This factor is divided in different sub-factors. The first one is product factor. The product factor, and this is the factor. The first one is really required reliability, data, database side, PLX, product complexity, reusability requirement, documentation life cycle stage, platform factor. Platform factor is P-ball, platform vulnerability, S-store, primary storage restriction, time, execution time restriction, staff factor. Staff factor is C-cap, analyst training, P-cat, programmer capacity, P-con, staff continuity, AX, application experience, PS, platform experience, else, that's language experience and tool. And the project factor. Tool, use of software tools, site, multi-site development, and as set, required schedule for development. And what is the restriction on this model? The restriction is, this is the restriction. The first one is that on time, time of the project is a point important is time. El time for the project. Only have the time. and security and protection. And the last one is a hardware that the problem of the hardware no have no have for the model. This is the activity, the Cocomo 2. Thank you so much. Bye.